A wonderful day to you, dear learners. Get ready for an exciting adventure of discovery as we dive into the MAPEH Major Lead Review 10-item practice test, set 8A. Your safety is our utmost priority, so please remember to take all necessary precautions while engaging with this video. May you feel supported, protected, and motivated on your journey toward knowledge and growth. Join me here on the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel for an inspiring experience as we uncover fresh ideas, hone our skills, and embrace the joy of learning together.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. It is 3 seconds time, Team A is behind with 2 points with ball possession. Player of Team A who is about to inbound the ball saw teammate near the opponent's basket free and alone. In order that the receiver be able to shoot the ball within the remaining time, what is the pass to be executed? A. Overhead pass. B. Chest pass. C. Baseball passed. D. Bounce passed. Stepping into the pass is the most significant factor to stress when executing a pass. What is the most evident action to consider when making follow-through on the chest pass? A. Arms are fully extended. B. Wrist are fully extend. C. Palms are facing downwards. D. Knees are straight. Basketball was first played in Springfield, Massachusetts in 1891. Who created the game? A. Abner Doubleday. B. James Naismith. C. William Morgan. D. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Who is considered as the fastest player in basketball and has the control of the ball and also make it sure the ball gets to the right player at the right time? A. Center. B. Power forward. C. Point guard. D. Shooting guard. Volleyball was first played in Tokyo, Olympics, 1964. It was created by William G. Morgan and named it Mintonette in 1895. Who introduced volleyball in the Philippines in 1910? A. Dr. A. F. Heisted. B. Elwood S. Brown. C. Isaac Spratt. D. Richard Cavell. One important skill in volleyball is service. How do you serve wherein the ball is held at the left hand and straight forward swing with the right hand, hitting the ball with an open hand or fist, either facing forward of sideward serve? A. Overhand serve. B. Underhand serve. C. Spike. D. Blocking. The player is hitting a forearm pass, underhand pass, and contacts the ball on thumbs. What will probably happen to the ball? A. The hit will be illegal. B. The control of the ball will be lost. C. The ball will be directed to the intended location. D. The ball might get out of the court. Total fitness is necessary in all players. Designated skills must be done and executed in accordance to rule of the game. What characteristic is most advantageous for the setter? A. Strong fingers. B. Flexible wrist. C. Good vision. D. Relaxed shoulder. The referee's hand signals in case of faults or situation in finals. What is the situation to refer to if the referees raise the forearms front and back and twist them around the body? A. Substitution. B. Timeout. C. Change court. D. Blocking fault. What is the fault committed if the referees raise 8 fingers, spread open? A. Ball in. B. Ball out. C. Disqualification. D. Delay in service. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If so, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. You can review this video to further enhance your understanding of the topic. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel. If you learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends so they can also learn about this topic. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. I hope to see you again in my next blog, and God bless you always.